So I just received the bag today, the lunch tote. This is the normal size, and I can tell you right away that the normal size is plenty big. It's got a beautiful, nice aluminum, nice and thick, strong aluminum interior. It did come with a strap, an additional strap, which I see some people say they don't get the strap, but mine was tucked away in the zipped up pocket in the back. So there's a zipped up pocket in the back here, and mine was tucked away in there. So if you think you got shorted the strap, check there before you contact the manufacturer. The handles are like 5.5 inches tall. They're nice and sturdy. I would probably carry them on my arm like this to go to lunch. Seem very nice. Here's the zipped pocket. It does not have the insulation in there, but it's perfect for a cell phone or for a wallet or keys or whatever. Really nice zipper. And then we have the front pocket here. It's got a little clasp. So you can put phone in here, or maybe a mini iPad. I'm not sure if a full iPad would fit. Probably you could try a full iPad, but or even a little notebook and pen, whatever you want. Napkins, nice little clasp. Good magnetic clasp, nice and strong. I like this little design here, kind of make a little cute design. And then on the sides, you've got these pockets. These, they say it's the pocket to hold bottles and things. I do notice they're a little snug. So if you are somebody who wants to plan a shaker, one of those protein shake drinks, probably tight for that, but it would fit a water bottle no problem, or a thinner water bottle. So I'm sure you can stretch it. You can stretch it if needed. It's got this nice elastic, strong elastic that will stretch. So yeah, it would work. It's just, this is brand new, so it's a little snug. And then this side here, they say this is a good wipes. Whoopsies. It's a good wipes zipper, but actually I think really it zips nice. Turn it side right. But actually it's part of the pocket. It's part of the drink pocket. So really it's, you know, just a way to grab it. You can easily grab it from the top if you want to put a tissue in there. It's not too bad. And then yeah, the bottom reinforced. It's very nice.
It's very sturdy. It has a magnetic button on one side and then a zipper on the other side. Usually in here it comes with a strap if you don't want to just hold it like this. Also on the side there are 2 bottle areas, also another little compartment so that can be your keys or something small, and then another one on the other side.